Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be making black soap shampoo for natural hair using just this. Yeah, I'm not going to be using anything else because it has almost all the natural oil inside. I'm just going to be using only the soap. Yeah, trying to see. Yeah, here are the ingredients. Hope you can see it. So I'm not going to be using anything else. Yeah, let's get down to it. This is the soup. Oh, chop them well. So just get an empty container, pour it inside. Yeah, as many as you want. I'm doing small. You add your water, your hot water. Hot water, not boiling water, just make it dissolve. Yeah. And I'm just going to leave it for like 1 hour to dissolve, then I'll come back and show you. So guys, our shampoo is ready. This is what you're going to have after leaving it to dissolve for like 1 hour. You can see it's very simple, easy and very cheap. Yes, and it works well. This is what I've been using for my hair for the past 1 year and I don't have any complaint. So guys, subscribe, like, comment, because I have more of this kind of videos coming. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.